With Blueprint Robotics, Sphero is redefining robotics education, making it accessible to every student in the classroom and on the competition field, without sacrificing depth. In this video, you'll see the components of the Blueprint Robotics ecosystem, explore how students build, learn, and compete, and discover why Blueprint Robotics is the ideal foundation for your robotics program. At the center of Blueprint Robotics is the Swerve Drive Robot, a pre-built chassis that's ready to roll, right out of the box. The competition-ready Swerve Drive enables movement in all directions and in any orientation. A controller comes paired with your robot, a rechargeable battery pops in, and students are driving, engaged, and learning in seconds. Because the drive platform is already built, class time goes straight to what matters: engineering design. The full Blueprint Robotics classroom kit includes everything students need: the drive base and the full suite of motors, sensors, and mechanical pieces. Students use these to design and build on top of the drive base for competitions and real-world engineering challenges. Finally, Blueprint Robotics centers around classroom competitions that make learning fun, accessible, and collaborative. The Classroom Competition Kit includes all the components you'll need to run 2 easy-to-implement robotics competitions in your classroom. In Launch Party, students race robots around the field, picking up balls and tossing them to their opponent's side. In Block Party, students use robots to pick up cubes and place them in the scoring tower to earn points. So, how do students get started? The Sphero team designed 6 competition-ready rapid robots, guided builds that get students up and running quickly to play the Launch or Block Party games. Each robot highlights mechanisms common in competitive and industrial robotics. And because parts snap together without tools and screws, robots can be put together and taken apart in 1 or 2 class periods. After their initial experiences, students can modify the robots to improve their performance. They may change up an intake to accommodate more game objects or add sensors to automate a mechanism. Then, students can go further with Blueprint Studio, the all-in-one environment for adjusting mechanisms, writing and manipulating programs through mechanism configurations, or monitoring sensors through customized dashboards. And when students are ready, they can write code in Python directly. Sphero Central has all the lessons to support your classroom goals. In addition to rapid robots and competitions, standards-aligned lessons show students the reasoning behind robotics design choices, as opposed to simply telling what they are. At the same time, students will explore career connections through real-world industry challenges. We built Blueprint Robotics because robotics education is filled with challenges, from high time and cost demands to system complexity. As a result, many students never reap the benefits. Blueprint Robotics was designed by engineers, robotics champions, and educators who know these realities firsthand. The goal was simple: lower the barrier to entry without lowering the ceiling. With Blueprint Robotics, students spend less time on setup and more time on engineering, designing, building, iterating, and competing. And along the way, they develop the problem-solving, systems thinking, and technical skills that carry them forward in STEM fields and beyond. Visit Sphero.com to learn more about Blueprint Robotics and start planning your program. Blueprint Robotics, robotics redefined.